Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss, earning respect. Specifically, how to make a lasting impression that commands respect from the moment you meet someone. So, whether it's a new acquaintance, a colleague, or even a romantic interest, these tips will help you gain immediate respect. Stick around, and let's dive in. Tip number 1. Confidence is key. First and foremost, confidence is the foundation of respect. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with conviction. Confidence not only makes you appear more capable and reliable, but it also communicates that you value yourself. When you believe in your abilities, others are more likely to do the same. Tip number 2. Active listening. Next up, active listening is an invaluable skill. Make the person you're engaging with feel heard and understood. Ask open-ended questions, nod in agreement, and provide thoughtful responses. By actively listening, you show respect for their thoughts and opinions, creating an instant connection. Tip number 3. Show empathy. Empathy goes hand in hand with active listening. Put yourself in the other person's shoes, understand their perspective, and acknowledge their feelings. By expressing empathy, you demonstrate emotional intelligence, which is a key factor in gaining respect. It shows that you value and understand the human experience. Tip number 4. Be reliable and keep your word. Reliability is a trait that can't be overstated. If you commit to something, follow through. Whether it's a promise, a task, or a deadline, being dependable establishes trust and respect. Consistently keeping your word demonstrates integrity and reliability, qualities that earn immediate admiration. Tip number 5. Maintain a positive attitude. Lastly, a positive attitude is contagious and earns respect. Approach challenges with optimism. Find solutions instead of dwelling on problems, and inspire others with your can-do mindset. Positivity not only boosts your own well-being, but also creates an environment where respect flourishes. Approach challenges with optimism. Instead of viewing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, approach them with a positive and optimistic mindset. Believe that you can overcome difficulties and convey this optimism in your words and actions. Find solutions instead of dwelling on problems. When faced with problems, focus on finding constructive solutions rather than dwelling on the negative aspects. This proactive approach demonstrates problem-solving skills and a willingness to overcome obstacles, earning you respect from those around you. Inspire others with your can-do mindset. Be a source of inspiration for others by showcasing a can-do attitude. Demonstrate a belief in possibilities and encourage those around you to tackle challenges with the same optimism. Your positive energy can uplift the spirits of those you interact with. Positivity boosts well-being. Maintaining a positive attitude isn't just about how others perceive you. It also has a direct impact on your own well-being. Positive thinking can reduce stress, improve mental health, and contribute to an overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Create an environment where respect flourishes. A positive attitude contributes to a healthy and supportive environment. When people see you maintaining positivity even in challenging situations, they are more likely to respect you for your resilience and ability to navigate difficulties with grace. And there you have it. 5 powerful tips to earn respect immediately. Remember, building Respect is an ongoing process, but incorporating these habits into your interactions will undoubtedly make a significant impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.